Welcome. If you've ever wanted to tweak how Discord looks to suit your eyes or streaming setup, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the updated way to edit saturation in Discord so everything feels just right. First, open the app and head to your profile icon in the bottom right corner. It's the quickest way to reach your personal settings without digging through menus. Tap that profile picture and you'll see a menu unfold with all your customization options. Next, locate the settings icon and give it a tap. This opens the broader Discord settings where you can tailor almost every aspect of your experience. It's a familiar hub once you get the hang of where things sit. From there, scroll down until you find accessibility. This section is designed for viewing comfort and usability, but it also houses those color and display tweaks that can make a big difference in how content appears. Inside accessibility, you'll spot the saturation control. This is your main tool for adjusting how rich or muted colors appear across Discord. Slide the saturation bar to your preferred level. If you're unsure, a good starting point is a moderate increase, enough to lift colors without making everything look oversaturated. As you move the slider, take a moment to observe the changes in real time. The goal is to achieve a balance where text remains sharp and imagery looks natural, not cartoonishly vibrant. If you're sharing your screen or streaming, you might want a slightly lower setting to reduce glare and keep focus on the content rather than the color boost. Once you've settled on a saturation level that feels comfortable, close the settings. The changes apply instantly so you can continue with your chat, gaming, or streaming session without any additional steps.